Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at a unique new product for the 2016 to 2018 GMC Sierra. Now from the factory, these trucks come with a white DRL that uses several LED chips throughout an optic to give you a decently even appearance head-on, but it can look splotchy or broken from the side or other angles. Our engineers have designed a new replacement halo that uses over 600 LEDs throughout for a bright, even, totally custom appearance. These halos were CAD designed to perfectly fit in the Sierra's headlight housing and are manufactured right here in St. Louis, Missouri, with two distinct color options. The first, Switchback option, is a bright white DRL that alternates with a crisp amber turn signal. The second is a totally distinct amber-only halo, which still retains that flashing turn signal function. Now these products do require that the headlights be open, so we would recommend professional installation. For more information on this product, visit diodedynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.